Hey folks, how's it going? Robert here. What are you guys doing anyway? I got some stuff going on. Check out my new ride. $100. I need to get a back tire. It's wore right out. But $100. This thing is something else for $100. Great, it ain't gonna stir it. $100. Look at headlight don't work, but I'm working on that too. I made a holder for it for my shotgun, and I can go bounce around. It fits in there like a glove, like a glove. Comes right out. Look at it, eh? Couldn't ask for anything better. Doesn't even have to fasten it down. And it keeps it protected. And I can see what's going on with it when I'm driving. And I only got a couple twist ties, black tape, a little bit of bank line on there. I haven't even got the clamps on to hold it in place yet.